Time for another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today's gonna be a fun one. It's music beat matching. When you have good pacing and rhythm in your videos, it's a lot easier to watch. And you always wanna think about how can I make this video easier to watch as a viewer? So let's just get into it.
Step 1, go get your music if you don't already have it. I use Artlist because I can download an unlimited amount of songs to try out. Here's me just trying out different songs, downloading them. I picked the electronic genre because it's one of my faves. Step 2, drag your music that you want to use onto your timeline. Have that be the only thing in your project. Play your music and press the M key on your keyboard every time you want to add a marker, and just add markers to the beat wherever you think you want to cut your clip. So you can do this as many times as you want. If you mess up, just delete the clip and start over, or you can actually right click on any marker to delete the marker, and that's another way to modify what you just did. Now let's drag the clips you want to use in your video on top of your music and markers, and with your beats marked, it's time to sync your clips. So align the start or the end of the clip with the markers. So now you're just seeing me arrange all of the clips that I want to use and cutting them down to the exact marks. It's actually pretty easy. And when you're done cutting, now it's time to play it and preview what the marker cuts look like. Scene changes every single time it hits a marker. This entire process took me about 5 to 10 minutes because cutting to the beat takes literally 30 seconds, and then aligning all the clips is pretty easy after that. Cutting to the beat is a great way to keep people engaged and watching your video, making your video easier and more fun to watch.
You know the drill. If you liked this video, give it a like if it was helpful. I have so many tutorials on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes. I'll link them below if you want to check those out. I make videos every other week, so you should subscribe if you like videos like this. Okay, bye.